Wow. New bikes.
Look at that. Wow.
Here. Open it.
What's out there, John?
Johnny?
I saw it.
Oh my goodness.
Open it.
Let's show me what you got out here.
Open it.
Okay.
You're gonna like it.
Oh, is it from Johnny? Oh.
I got just a pair of earrings.
Oh, that's nice.
Cute.
Dad, open yours. You're gonna love what I got you.
All right, I'm going to open mine in a little while.
Ooh.
Did somebody say you could open that yet?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I asked for this too.
What is it?
Car case.
Race car case.
Oh. All right, hold on.
Oh, I got two presents.
Do you have a bag downstairs?
Yeah, I have to get it in order. Yeah. It's downstairs. I'm ordering.
Jessica, I moved it. It's
Johnny?
Jessica.
It's from Jessica? Well, she put a lot of tape on there, didn't she?
Yeah. Maybe the tape kept falling off.
That is a sharp bite.
I know. Aww. It is a shirt. This is Johnny.
Wow.
John's gonna like what I got him. I opened one.
Jessica, turn the mic on.
A tape.
Magic cards.
You're welcome, John. Magic cards. You're welcome. I'm opening the next one from this. Tricked ya. Jessica
Aw,
tricked me.
Jessica.
Yeah, worked, Dad. It worked.
She tricked you.
Dad, did you open yours? Not yet. Open it.
Somebody turn the lights on.
What lights? They're on. Why?
Look at those bikes. Wow.
Daddy said turn it off.
Good, get you. Show me.
Johnny, this is Johnny and Jessica. I got Jessica earrings. I got Johnny this. I got Jessica cards and this polar bear.
What do you say to one another?
Thank you.
Give her a hug.
This is to both of us. This is to both of us. Oh!
What is it, Jess?
This one don't have a name on it.
You like that? That'll be fun.
Let me see.
That's for Jessica.
This one's yours.
Hold on, John.
Oh.
Oh.
This one's yours. I barely maybe. This one's yours.
Cute.
This one don't have a name on it.
Yes, it does.
Oh. No, that's a tech
You
pack.
want me to open it?
Yeah!
Wait, just wait. You want me to open it?
Oh, yeah.
Nah, I ain't open
Yeah.
it. What?
Okay.
Oh man, a new fishing lure.
right.
All right.
Wait a minute, I have to go get something from the bag. Happy?
Looks like a nice one, Jess. John. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
What's that?
We have one of these.
What is it?
Another one instead of
car. Car. She just see how it works. Did you see her little coin purse? Johnny?
Huh?
Johnny, did you see her look.
Alright. We have
Right
this.
here. Look where it is.
Another Ren and Stimpy show.
Another one.
Take out your brain. That's your brain. To Johnny. To Jessica and Johnny. I'll
Turn around, you guys, so I can see you. Yeah. There you go.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Look at this one. Let me see.
Hot Wheels.
Oh.
What is it, John?
Holy smokes. Punch button.
Ooh.
Johnny, come on.
New cars to put in your new car case. Nice.
All right. Ooh! Guess who?
One game.
It
I'm gonna
says,
play that.
Jessica, this is yours.
Don't do all the little stuff first time.
Jessica got the big thing.
Oh, good. So just put all your tapes in.
Yeah.
Keep them together.
Who's that? It's yours.
Just for last. Oh.
I'll bet you this one's for me. No. John, I
Hold on, John. Look.
This is yours, Mom.
Oh, he's pretty.
She's pretty.
Oh.
Her name's Nicole. Nicole. This is yours. A bit of yours, Mom.
Yeah.
You want me to open now?
If you want.
Yes. Oh! Tornado Rex. To both of us. Wait a second, let me get all the rest of
You like that?
Yeah. Happiness, come on. Oh, Noel. Noel.
Oh.
Aladdin.
Johnny?
The Addams Family. Lamb Chop and Friends. Barbie. Including Mommy Beaver.
Mommy Beaver?
Here, I'll bring it. Jessica. Yours. 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 Cat and dog mystery. Yours. Look, cat and dog mystery.
Wait a minute. What's that over there?
Oh. John. More race cars.
Oh, man.
Hot Corvette.
It's not a Corvette.
Nationals and Sparkle car. I am Sparkle limo. Sparkle
Oh.
limo.
What's in that flat one, Jess?
Huh?
Oh, the cute one there.
Uh-huh. Oh, police car. This one.
No, the dinner, but next.
Holy smokes! Look at this one. Let me just open it.
Yeah.
What's that?
Who's that to you? Little Choco Maco? I'm gonna start opening some.
Oh, you've got slippers.
Oh, slippers, right? Yours are black.
There's your feet.
Mine has flowers inside.
Never mind.
It's small, but it's heavy.
Well, how do you feel?
Come
Look how
on,
pretty this doll is.
let's rock and roll. bags of beans for Daddy.
Down.
Pinocchio, Thunderbolt, and Blue. I hope this one's for me. All the toppings will pop. Alright, I open up my next one. You don't get my time for me to get... Oh, wait a second. Brother for sale, 50 cents. Ah!
Oh, that's a CD, Jess.
Come on. Dad, look what I got for Mommy. Ah.
Pretty.
Mine might be a boombox.
Where you going, John?
Come on, Stocky.
Let's go to open this big box.
Wait a minute. For him.
Oh, it ain't.
For you.
It's for you.
Oh. Oh.
Which stocking is mine, guys? Which stocking is mine, guys?
Wait a minute. It says Johnny. That happens to be mine. That says Beverly on
I said, here, kids. Present Which one says Johnny? And one on the floor. Which one's mine?
This is Johnny.
I can't copy from. Daddy.
Daddy, of your presents.
Oh, I know what this is. So. Oh, Jessica, remember those ones we wrapped up for Mommy and Daddy in the blue bag? That was very nice. Waldo shampoo.
A new can opener.
Oh, I found Waldo. I found Waldo already, Ma.
Finally. Need one.
Ooh, 3 new pencils. Ooh, and one's sticky on it. Two pencils are sticky on it. Where's my other bubble? Oh! Look at this, Dad.
What is it?
A toothbrush.
Yeah.
Jessica.
Oh.
I just can't do mine. I'll get Jessica's. I'll choose Jessica's. Then I'll get mine. I'll get this one. Hey, everything's in the package.
A car phone? Oh my God. All right. Hello, I'm going to be late. You want me to pick up a snack on the way home?
What's that, John?
I got the car phone.
I'll be there in 5 minutes. Bye.
That's not a car phone. It's a truck phone.
Thank you, honey. I'm getting the truck.
Oh, if you like it.
Oh my God. Thanks, honey. I
Too
love
much
it.
chocolate. Yeah, look at all mine.
You're welcome.
Did you care about me?
Just dump it right out.
If I break down or not.
That's right.
All right. That's great.
Or
Wait a minute. No, nobody move. The cord.